Hello, it's Sue Grant from Berthon, and this is just another look at the Discovery 55 Florence O. Just looking at her back on the gantry, she has brand new paint, just finished by Berthon, only just dry, and we're in a very grey, murky day at Berthon. You can see the tow rail at the back has been replaced. There it is, and there's another section at midships. Florence actually had some impact damage on the port side. That's all been totally repaired, and while she was in the big blue sheds at Berthon, she had brand new flag blue paint, new style lines, and she is looking very smart. Just a quick whiz round. As you can see, the decks are looking great. She's normally been stored either under cover or beneath a big canvas cover, which she's going to shortly have, so the decks and GRP superstructure is looking great. And now we're down into the main saloon. Just wanted you to see she's looking as fantastic below as she does on deck. This is oak interior, lovely dark blue leather upholstery, and then into the signature disco upper and lower cabin. Loads of space, of course it's full of Florence at the moment, and then into the VIP cabin at the front, which is a great place for guests to spend time. Lots of storage, and then of course both those cabins share this great shower and heads compartment with a towel rail, electric loo. Hello Harry, he's doing the filming for us today, and then we're going to shoot back and look up at the Helm Station. Inside, helming is possible. Nice new hybrid touch electronics. Fantastic galley, microwave, larder, and into this huge owner's cabin, his and hers wardrobes, loads of storage, and into the owner's heads compartment with separated shower. Just have a sneaky peek at the engine room. As you can see, the Yanmar's all laid up, as is the water maker. And then back into the aft cabin. And then we're just going to have a quick look here. All looking very fresh. Lying in Lymington at our yard here, and very ready for the new season sailing. Après COVID. Florence O, Discovery 55. Ask us for more information about her.